Here is the 1965 Chevelle Malibu SS. It is a true SS. We're going to be going to the VIN in a little bit. Has all the correct badging. It has a 427 turbojet motor in it. Roller cam, well, hydraulic roller. New wheel Vintiques Corvette Rallies in a light almond beige metallic with brand new chrome beauty rings and stainless steel beauty rings and center caps. Over here. Now the hood is a little tilted. Actually, I have it undone right now. It latches down with hood pins on either side through here. Stuck. Sometimes it gets stuck, but it's typically pretty easy to open. And this is the motor. The description on the eBay listing and Craigslist ad goes over everything. It has something that's not mentioned. The car, all the electrical wiring in the car has been upgraded to a painless kit, so you don't have any more of the frayed, cracked, you know, randomly spliced wires. Billet pulleys, aluminum radiator, electric fan. Now the fan has a switch. I'll go over that inside the car though. Back up a little bit. It was kind of a round walk around. Now some people wanted to get some photos of the trunk or video of the trunk. So it's solid, no rust. I mean, there's a little surface stuff in there, but it's solid all the way through. Now there's wiring already run for an electric fuel pump, and it's all wired in, but currently the car is using a mechanical fuel pump. Also included, there's a little accessories. I don't know if you can see in there, but the badging for the Hurst shifter, and a set of seals for the tail lights and everything for when it gets painted. Beyond that, also is included in the sale is this. This is a iron shield, or I think, yeah, iron shield car cover. It is actually made of vinyl, so it's 100% waterproof, and it's vented on the top so that you don't end up trapping moisture in the car when, you know, so you don't get rust on the inside. Let's see, the tires in the rear are 295 55 Mickey Thompson drag radials. And in the front we have Cooper Cobras, and these are 235 60 15. So the car sits with a slight amount of, you know, forward rake. I'd say about an inch. But if you switch over to the Nitos, that rake goes away. Now I'll turn it on for you. So the odometer was put, or the speedometer odometer was put in when the motor was put in. So that's accurate to the motor. The interior itself, all the paneling is in excellent condition. The headliner is missing the light, the dome light. The seats are in great shape except for the rear where it was split down the seam. If you look, it's actually on the seam. So you should be able to remove it and stitch it or back pat it back together if you want. They run about $100 to replace these. Now the roll bar is bolted, so to remove it, you just need to take the bolts out and lift it out of the car. Oh, and it has a Stuart Warner digital tachometer with a shift light. So it'll, when it gets up to whatever you set it to, I got it set to around 6,000 RPMs, it'll shift. Now, this switch here will actually turn off, turn the fan to be on regardless of the temperature of the motor. And then this side to the right is a temperature controlled switch to turn the fan on. Also, the car has a safety switch to keep it from, you know, theft. If it's instead of being a regular switch where you might see it, it's actually the air for the air conditioning. So if you pull the air out, you'll notice the car does not turn on. The ignition doesn't go over. You have to push the air all the way down and crank it over. Probably gonna be a little bit of moisture that's been sitting in the morning, but no smoke out of the exhaust. Now the exhaust is the Pypes stainless steel system. Underneath, the floors are all solid. No rust.